Hi, I'm Dora Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. And today I am so excited to be here because I want to test out a brand that I have not featured on this channel, but I will today. And this is the Af94. I think that means about face 94. I could be wrong. I'll post more information about the brand somewhere here. And I received two things from the brand. Not directly from the brand. I bought these. Just so you know, this is not a sponsored video. This is not an ad. Okay, I paid out of this out of my own pocket. The first thing I have here is from the It Takes Two bronzer and highlighter duo. Has a nice, interesting little curve here. And this is their Playdate Glow multi-use cheek and lip color. So I find this really interesting, this curve. I guess it meets the curvature of your face, so you could do this. I find that very interesting. I love that it has these two features. I love that it has that it looks like it curves to the face, and it has this little button down here where you can, almost like a deodorant stick that you can turn and move it up. But at this point, I'm not going to. This is fine. And I'm just gonna try this and see. Okay, all right, try this side. I'm assuming the highlighter goes above, and I'm trying to put it above my face like so. I think I did better this side than this side, but I am gonna blend it in. I do see a bit of a glow here. Okay, so that looks good. Unfortunately, if I want to put some up here, I'm gonna probably have to carry some of this here in order to move it around, because this doesn't really contour to the forehead really well. I don't think so. Okay, not bad, not bad. It goes on very creamy. I think it's rather gimmicky in a way, but it's nice. If this is on the go, like if I had to go somewhere, I probably would throw this in my bag, like if I was traveling to carry less stuff. It's interesting. It doesn't have a scent, which is good. Now I'm gonna move on to the, this is called the Playdate Glow multi-use cheek and lip. So, in the same brand. Oh, I like how it starts off with this. Do you see that? Interesting, interesting. And you turn it. Let's see how much product. Okay, that's about as much product that's in there. The packaging is fairly plasticky. It's light. You know, these two products, each one of these is actually $9. So again, very drugstore. I'm gonna try this. This looks very futuristic in a way, but I'm gonna apply it here to my, it goes on very creamy. I think less is more, but if you want to add more, let's see if it's buildable. I don't know. I'm putting this to the apples of my cheeks. I'm just gonna do it here so you can see. That's the color right there. I'm not sure what color it is, but I will put it on somewhere here. And now I'm going to blend it. So I was reading that in order for it not to look streaky when you're applying blush, that you're supposed to pat it. Well, my face feels fairly moisturized with the brand, so, and what I put underneath, so I feel like I don't have to do this. I can just brush it out. Okay, I thought I went in, you know, softly because I wasn't sure. Just wanted to see, but overall, not bad. Not bad. Has a very almost, it's very natural looking, I will say, but I want to add a little more because I want to see the color in a way. a bit more. I don't know how it looks. For me on camera, it looks like it's very soft. But there you go. And it's a very natural like glow with the highlighter stick that's in the dual. So I would say very, very nice. I really like the glow. What do you think? What do you think? Have you tried this brand Af94? Let me know in the comments below. I have to say $9 a piece. Not bad, not bad. And it's a full face. And you can put this on your cheek and your lip like so. Don't do this unless you know that you're the only one that's going to use this, because of the fact that it can be used for the cheeks and for the lip. I will say it looks better on my cheeks than it does on my lip. It's a little too pink on my lips. It's not, this type of pink is not usually my style. I usually like something a bit deeper. But if you like this kind of color, hey, what works for you works for you. It feels, again, very creamy on the mouth as well on the cheek. I don't catch a scent. And again, they're $9 each. That's a bargain. And for practically a full face. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below what you think of Af94 and whether or not I should try any other products from this line. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button, and even better, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest makeup adventure, and I hope to see you in the next one. Take care, stay safe. Bye.